Here are a few tips to get these Canvas links off of your Canvas course, because the less things parents have to click, the less they'll get confused. So let me show you how to do that. When you go into your Canvas course, you'll see all these links on the side here. You'll notice I have like no eyeballs on it because I don't want those things to show. I just wanted certain things for the students to see. So if you go to the students page, this is all that they would see. Okay, so to do that, you go to settings and you go to navigation, and you have all these links that are on the side that you have to choose from. You don't want one of the links to show. You just simply grab it and move it down. And these drag items here to hide them from students. So anything that you don't want them to see, you drag it down on the bottom and then hit the save. And then when you go back, hit the student view, then you even have less things to show. So I hope that helps.